Hi everyone, in today's video lecture I'm gonna teach you on how you can download a mobile version of MetaTrader 4 app which is used for forex trading. You have to locate that app in Play Store, and of course if you are using an iPhone you have to locate the very same app in Apple Store, but the process and the trading and everything is similar. So let's get started. So we locate the search tab and then type in MetaTrader 4. Click on install button and wait for a program to be downloaded. The process shouldn't take long since the program is only 6 megabytes. And here it is, it's already installed, so we click open. And now as you can see, automatically system sets up a demo account for us with Meta Quotes, which is the very same provider. As you can see, we have quotes here and currencies. So technically we're all good to go. We can start trading, punch some buttons and try to learn. However, if you have a particular broker in mind with whom you might want to trade with your real money at some time in future, you would want to locate and open a demo account with that broker instead. To do that, you have to click that button which is in the upper left corner. Then you have a manage account section in the top, so you click on it and then you can see plus sign in the right, so you click on the plus sign and click on open a demo account and just type in whatever broker you are looking for. Let's say whatever, BCR demo, so let's click on these guys. And now you can see there are two sections, like personal information and account information. For account information, leave everything as it is, go with the default option. For the personal information, unless you know that broker, I don't recommend you putting your real information, like your real phone number and your real email address, because the chances are some guys will be soliciting you all day long, because unfortunately that's the way most of the brokerages are operating.